In the last few years, the way we as consumers started to communicate, consume, and commute has changed dramatically and is increasingly delivered using digital channels. So our expectations as far as banking experience is concerned have changed. We are no more expecting just simplicity, speed, and convenience. We would like the banking experience to be embedded in our daily activities. Uber is a good example of that. When we take Uber, what we focus on is we would like to move from A to B. We are not thinking about the payment. The payment is finishing the experience, the journey, and it's frictionless and invisible. That's how banking should be. Research shows that about 80% of our daily activities are finishing with a financial transaction. Our goal in DBS is make those activities joyful. Each new product and initiative in DBS is starting with understanding the customer journey and making it as joyful as possible. From a digital onboarding, through you looking at your balance using the peak balance functionality in Singapore, through having a very joyful experience while using our Payla wallet, all those customer journeys were developed having the customer in mind. And that's the goal that is there with us every day. In my opinion, there are a few technologies that are going to play a transformational role in the future of banking. And that's artificial intelligence, machine learning, biometric authentication, and blockchain. Artificial intelligence is already revolutionizing the way we are providing the customer experience, servicing our customers. A conversation is the most natural way of human interaction, and the bot is enabling that in a very efficient manner. Biometric authentication, and especially the facial recognition, is making big inroads into the banking industry. I believe the adoption of different technologies is going to be driven by the leaders in the smartphone industry, and the banks will follow that. The recent introduction of iPhone X, I think, is revolutionizing that space. Blockchain, although coming not without initial issues, is going to be big going forward as far as providing a lot of inroads into ensuring security and transparency of financial transactions while having very many guardians in the market looking at them and providing the security of the whole chain. I'm a big believer in the model of collaboration between the fintech and the banks. We at DBS have a long history of collaborating with different fintech companies that are coming with solutions that are immensely increasing the customer experience, coming with innovative technologies and breathtaking solutions. In addition to that, DBS is attracting a lot of different fintechs, accelerating them, organizing hackathons, looking at new ideas, and recently we have opened our APIs in order to encourage fintech companies and other partners to use our APIs for further customer acquisition and engagement. One of the rules is never try to incorporate startup into your banking structure, because you are going to kill them. The second one is always look for solutions that are complementary to your banking value proposition, and they are just coming with amazing technologies that will take you years to build yourself. And the third one, always try to test the adoption and experiment with the customers. That's what we have done with DigiBank. We started testing the new solutions in our emerging markets of India and Indonesia, and after they were successful, we have rolled them out in our core market of Singapore.